shark helps maintain a delicate balance in marine life. Unfortunately, they are not the number one predator out of the ocean. We are. And the overfishing of sharks, specifically shark finning, is seriously depleting their populations. The downtown Aquarium and Landry's restaurants are strong supporters of WildAid and its mission to stop. Welcome to the historic Central Waterworks building. This turn-of-the-century building is now home to 200,000 gallons of seawater. The tunnel in which we are located is approximately 70 feet long, and the acrylic is over 5 inches thick, supporting more than 700 tons of water directly over your head. There are over 20 different sharks swimming around us. The largest of these sharks that you see is the sand tiger shark. These sharks are 10 feet long and weigh over 250 pounds. They are found